lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. Hi everybody out there, how's everybody out there doing? I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. Yeah, on today's video we're gonna do a e.l.f. eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and this palette is by e.l.f. Obviously, I just said that. And this is Mad for Mattes Jewels Pop, and this is how the colors look. They're very matted, and we'll see what it do, what we're working with. And I also got me some brand new brushes from Morphe, and this is from Eyes Baes Faves. And I got them all out and ready to get it started. So if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. well guys, this completes this look on the e.l.f. eyeshadow look. Overall, this palette doesn't wow me like I thought it would. It's doable. You could get away with some eyeshadow looks with this. But overall, I didn't care for it. It was too chalky. It was a lot of fallout, and I didn't care for it. Not my cup of tea. If anything, this was like around, I think it was $8 or $9 I spent on this. But if you want to go a cheaper route, you could always check out the BH Cosmetic palette. I'm sorry, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I got also more BH Cosmetic palette somewhere in here. I also got like these, BH Smoky Eye palette. Like, I got more. I gotta look for it. But anyways, if you want something cheap, go to BH Cosmetic and get you some bomb ass makeup, because that's where it's at. But overall, this is alright. It ain't wow me. As you guys can see throughout the video, I added the green, this green in here in my eyelid. And the more I kept patting it on, it was very chalky and it was all over the place. And when I blended, it was like not blending. It was like patchy a little. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I didn't care for it. If you guys like this palette, you know, kudos to you guys, but for me, I didn't care for it. But yeah, guys, let me know down below what you guys think about this look. Let me know if you own any e.l.f. you know, cosmetics. Let me know which one you prefer. What do you like? Let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to do. Yeah, guys, so this is the final look. And I also added the Stella glitter. Where is this? I can show you guys. The Stella. Girl, get yourself together. Right in my face. Really? I added this to complete the look, which is the Gold Goddess and the Stella glitter. And overall, it came out cute or whatever, you know. The liner came out thick than usual, but it's okay. I like a little thickums. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel, because we lit. We lit. We lit. Yes, girl. Till next time, I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.